I'm here with Coco, and this is his rig today.
My rig today.
So what we're gonna do, Coco?
We're gonna pull this thing over about 20 feet, set her down.
And this is what he's talking about. This rig right here is a drilling rig. It's about 200 foot from the ground to the top. They're gonna slide it on this mat all the way over here. And the secret ingredient is, you ain't gonna believe this, guys. The secret ingredient to this little job is Dawn dish soap. All right, Coco, it's on you, buddy.
We get it, man, we get it.
All right, thank you, sir. Well, this is the end result. They slid the rig over about 20 foot. That's a 48-inch piece of pipe. The little orange dot marks the spot. The next day or so, they'll start drilling their well. Thank y'all for following along.